Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Kartthigan and I'm a junior analyst of the Blockchain Presents project. In this video, I will explain the business process of Blockchain Presents with a simplified visualization. Blockchain Presents is a low-cost centralized smart contract Oracle platform with integrated on-chain identification. Blockchain Presents acts as a single entity of an information system to provide external data to smart contracts in a reliable way by creating a bridge between the off-chain and the on-chain world. Here you can see the three main players in the process: the receivers, the senders, and the Blockchain Presents Oracle. The data transaction process begins with the receivers, parties that are in need of information, for example in trade finance, insurance claim processing, or peer-to-peer transactions. Through our Blockchain Presents website, the receiver can launch an order which contains, beside the information about the requested data, the date at which the receiver foresees the data, and the transaction costs. The transaction cost is calculated as gas for mailbox plus gas for relay times gas price plus commitment fee. Gas for mailbox will be provided by the receiver in advance so that the sender convenience applet, short SCA, a computer program that runs on the server or personal digital device of the sender, has the needed amount for the transaction. Further, the gas for relay is determined by the Blockchain Presents Oracle, while gas price and commitment fee are set by the sender. The commitment fee is for making the data available and will be automatically transmitted to the sender's wallet when the specific conditions are met. In order to keep the effortless experience at Blockchain Presents and transaction costs as lean as possible, there are no specific utility tokens involved in the process, and all value of the transaction is based on the cryptocurrency Ether. Once the Blockchain Presents smart contract receives the order, it will be saved on the blockchain and sent further to the SCA. A sender as the opposing party can be any interested individual who is in possession of external information. Individuals that wish to become senders on the Blockchain Presents smart contract need to be registered on the website, which will be carried out in two steps. The first step is a common account registration through signing up with an email address, creating a username and password. The following step will directly take place on-chain, where the data provider can choose between the two options, Secure Fastlight or Secure Safe. In advance, the data provider needs to make sure that the crypto wallet MetaMask is installed and an initial amount of Ether is deposited. The crypto wallet is required to receive payments and the initial amount for the small registration fee. The option Secure Fastlight consists of creating the two account addresses PIN and POOK. They are public and essential for sender identification and the whole order and delivery process. The PIN address is used to send the data, while the POOK is the main address to receive fees or to change the PIN address. These two addresses can be created in the crypto wallet and then be selected in the registration application. The Secure Safe is a much safer option that works similarly, with the difference that there are 5 addresses: PIN, POOK, POOK2A, POOK2B, and POOK2C. In this on-chain registration, the account's address is accompanied by a sender ID. Once stored on-chain, it cannot be altered or manipulated by any party with possibly malicious intent. This is what differentiates Blockchain Presents from other oracles that rely on off-chain security architecture and trusted hardware to operate. After the registration, the SCA needs to be installed on the sender server or any of the digital devices with access to the internet. By installing the SCA, a folder is determined where senders will store the data on their digital device that they have committed to deliver. If the Blockchain Presents smart contract is called, the SCA will then take the requested data from this folder, package it, and send it to the blockchain, where the enriched order will be saved for the second time. The public mirror page of the Blockchain Presents website, that is accessible for anybody prior registration or login, provides an overview of all the senders and commitments. On the private mirror page, senders can get an overview of the order status information. The last step in the delivery process is where the successful completion of the data transaction is checked. In the case of a successful transaction, the Blockchain Presents smart contract will be informed, and half of the predetermined commitment fee will be transacted to the sender's wallet. The other half represents the earning of blockchain presents for creating a bridge for the successful data transaction. In the case of an incomplete data transaction, the commitment fee will be sent back to the receiver. Besides the payment, receivers can rate senders according to the data quality, which further incentivizes them to provide truthful and valuable information. The higher the rating of a sender, the greater the possibility to receive more data requests and to determine a higher commitment fee in the future. The sender can keep the earned Ether payment as an investment to profit from future price changes, sell it, or use the cryptocurrency to buy products online or for other digital payments. I hope this gives you a further understanding of our business process and how the Blockchain Presents platform works. Thank you for watching, and for further information, subscribe to our channel and visit our website.